Today, we have a Detroit-style pizza from the Hut. We got double pepperoni. There's 3 other options. They're not terrible looking. But
What exactly is the Detroit style pizza?
Detroit-style pizza is kind of like a regular deep dish pizza, except the sauce is on top.
A saucy boy.
A saucy boy.
Interesting.
Okay.
And if you know me, you know I like them saucy boys.
He likes them saucy boys.
Get that big boy.
I'm gonna
Get it.
do that.
So, first impressions. The pepperoni looks.
The pepperoni looks fossilized. If you could see this, I could not be able to tell that that was a pepperoni on a plate by itself.
Don't get me wrong.
Looks like a button.
I see pepperoni like this all the time. It's not my personal jam.
You also have to think that this is the double pep,
Yeah.
so that also might play
These
play
are
a role
apparently
into it.
called pepperoni cups.
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 Aha.
Yeah.
Okay.
They taste good.
Yeah.
It's just they're super thin, and they curl up, and the ends of them get burnt. I guess that's the point. I don't know.
Might be. Sometimes double or with double pepperoni or double cheese or both, you're gonna end up with burnt cheese and you're gonna end up with either dried up or burnt pepperoni.
All right.
Real quick. Very weird of you, Detroit.
Yeah.
But I see you.
The sauce is good. It's not like overwhelming.
Wow.
Yeah.
That tastes a lot closer to tomato than a regular pizza sauce.
Yeah.
Huh.
So the sauces are different, I think. I
The
don't know.
sauce
I
tastes different.
haven't had Pizza Hut.
Shane, give that sauce a taste test. Tell me how much of a difference you taste.
I haven't had pizza in a long time, so I don't know if that's the regular sauce they use.
It's not.
No, I believe it's the marinara they use for their breadsticks.
Oh, that makes sense.
I believe that's what that is. That's what I'm tasting, anyways.
Overall, the pizza looks really good.
Yeah.
Doesn't look super sloppy or.
No,
No.
it's not. The sauce is adhered good.
It's not
Yeah.
soggy either. Which
Yeah.
is my downside. If a pizza's soggy, I won't eat it. Yeah.
The bottom is crispy.
I gotta have crust.
Yep. Good crisp on it. Dink.
That tastes so much different than a regular pizza. That's gotta be
So,
a different sauce.
so it actually deserves a style, if you will.
Yeah, that deserves a style
Absolutely.
of its own. Because that
Absolutely.
tastes different than the normal pizza I would have at Pizza Hut.
Okay.
I don't know how to describe this.
It is more like a cheesy breadstick with sauce on it.
Yeah, it's definitely got a more robust flavor to it. I think that's because your sauce isn't being hidden beneath cheese and amalgamating with it.
Right.
I don't know if that's the word, but I
Whatever
used
the
it.
word is supposed to be, you know
Yeah.
what it is. And if you don't,
A mashup, if you will.
But yeah, it's really good.
Yeah, it's definitely different.
yeah, I'm not mad at that. If I was to get a Detroit style pizza, and this is what it consistently tastes like, I'm okay with that because it's different enough that I'm happy with it.
Yeah.
It's outside the norm. So if you normally eat pizza, try Detroit style apparently.
What would you guys rate out of 10?
Simply because Pizza Hut isn't really my thing. This pizza is really good. I'd have to give it a 7. Just because, like, it's not really like a stipulation kind of thing. It's just I haven't had Pizza Hut in probably 10 years. This is definitely not what I remember Pizza Hut tasting like. This is better. If it was 10 years ago Pizza Hut, it'd been a 4.
Right. Yeah, they've definitely updated their
Yeah.
flavors since 4 years, in
But yeah,
40 years' time.
this is really good. I have to give it an honest 7. I'd order this again.
You know, I really, I like how having the sauce on top doesn't make the crust soggy, or like when you normally pick up a piece of pizza from a fast food quote unquote place, you have that big grease imprint left over, or like a puddle of grease that it normally sits in. It's not doing that right now. There's a little bit of grease. Obviously, every pizza is going to have a little bit of grease on it.
Yeah, and even if you look in the box, like
Yeah.
it's not
Yeah.
covered in grease at all.
Like it
so
normally
actually,
is.
It's actually a big plus in my opinion
The
too.
flavor is different than what a normal pizza is. Like I said, if I was after the flavor profile of the Detroit style pizza, I would definitely order this. If I was after a regular pizza, definitely would not order this. The flavor's not bad. I feel like with double pepperoni, we could stand to have more pepperonis on it though.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have to give it a 6.
I will
It's
say,
not- it's not bad, but it's not something I'm going to go seek out now.
Right. I will say, after I got past the splash of sauce that they put on the top and got to the crust where there is no extra sauce, flavor completely changed. I think the best part about this is the sauce they put on the top.
Okay, I can agree with
That's a
that.
fair point.
I would probably go with a 6.5. I think I'd meet you guys halfway,
Yeah.
or right in the middle with that. Just mainly because it seems like the sauce is what's giving it all of the flavor.
But the
But-
sauce is very good.
But
Yeah.
big props to the fact that they don't have any sogginess to it. Though.
Yeah.
That's actually really awesome.
If it were me, I would be okay with a little bit of sogginess for a little bit extra of that sauce.
Yes.
Cover the whole thing.
Yeah, I feel like if you would have dropped the sauce on it and used the ladle to
Yeah.
spread,
Yeah.
I'd have been super happy with this pizza.
Yeah. Absolutely.
But the flavor literally changes from bite to bite depending on if you have sauce on it or not.
Right.
Yeah, it's not fantastic without the sauce. I'm gonna give this a split score with the sauce on it, 7. Without the sauce, gonna have to go with that 4 I mentioned earlier. It's not anything special.
But as a whole, it seems like we got an average of a 6.5.
Yeah, with the sauce, it's great. Stick to that. Do more. Say less and do more.
Say less and sauce more.
Yeah,
Don't talk about it, be about it.
exactly. So that's Pizza Hut's new Detroit style pizza. It's good. It could be better.
I know
But it's
now know
good.
there's other styles of this,
Yeah.
including the sausage and the meat lovers version. I might try the meat lovers.
Yeah, I'd be
Because
down
I
for
feel
that.
like that would be good with more toppings.
And if we get this again, which we probably will,
Yeah.
Right?
let's see if there's an extra sauce option.
Yeah, that'd be really good.
100%.
Agreed. So if you guys give it a try, let us know if you like it. You don't like it, let us know if you think we're wrong. If we're right, comments below.
Yeah. Bye, guys.
See it.